Hey everyone, it's me Gloria. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a very productive, eventful, pretty demure day in my life. So I started my morning at 7:30 a.m. today. Yes, you heard that right. And I know I was living a very unhealthy lifestyle, like eating a lot outside, eating every junk possible, then stressing about work. Also my sleeping schedule was messed up. Basically, I was doing everything wrong possible at the same time, and it started showing up on my skin, like I started having acne and breakouts. So strictly from last week I decided to take things seriously, change the way I live, fix my lifestyle. I mean, few things needed to change as it was causing my peace and mental health. So it started with waking up early in the morning, then I quickly got freshen up and open up all the curtains and windows of my room to breathe in the sunshine. Then I went to kitchen to make myself a warm cup of lemon water in my new cup. Yes, I replaced my morning milk tea with lemon water. After finishing my lemon water, I went straight to our terrace to do some workout. It was already sunny but also very windy. You know how the weather feels in October. This is exactly why I love October so much. The weather change, the vibe, and not only because it is my birthday month. After spending some time in terrace, I came downstairs, and for those of you who don't know, this is my sister's place and today I am living here alone. My sister and everyone went to our house today, so for that reason I decided to take responsibility and clean the house because I genuinely wanted to be productive today, not because I got her a new vacuum cleaner. Now let me quickly show you what I got her. I got her the Agaro Icon Bagless Dry Vacuum Cleaner. It comes with two buttons. This one is the cord rewind button and this one is the power button. Also you can control the power from minimum to maximum by using this option. Now cleaning has become so much fun. You just have to plug in, switch on and enjoy the process. It has a long hosepipe and a very hardy extension tube. Also it comes with 3 accessories and this one is the floor brush. It has 1600 watts motor that gives you a very powerful suction power to quickly remove any dirt from any kind of dry surface and leaves the floor of your home spotlessly clean. This one is the small multi-purpose brush and we can use it to clean all the curtains and bed sheet. It effortlessly removes all the dust and dirt from it. It does not make any noise and comes with a 1.5 liter dust collector. Also the design is so compact, it comes with 2 large wheels, which is why it is very portable and easy to use. Lastly, we have the service nozzle to clean all the corners and places that our hand can't reach. I think I got the best Diwali gift for my sister, and if you want it, so you will find the link in description. Now after doing all that work, finally it is time to make something yummy and have it as breakfast. Today I am having this chocolate muesli with some curd and a chocolate brownie / healthy girl edition. I quickly finished my breakfast, took some rest and then sit down to edit 2 shorts video. I need to edit and send it for approval by 1 PM and as soon as the brand approves, I need to post it. I was kinda in a hurry to finish all the work cause I need to take a shower and quickly get ready to go out with Saurabh, and after that I'm also attending this Halloween party sponsored by Numi. So this is my outfit for the Halloween party. I couldn't put much effort as I was running late. So the party is from 6 p.m. but right now I am going to meet Saurabh at this really nice restaurant called Peter Who, and I am really very late for that. We have been here more than 5 times, and as it is a very popular place and we went on Sunday, we had to wait like 20 minutes to get a table, but trust me guys, it is so worth it. I love their food and it is a perfect place for fine dine. We ordered 2 platters of sushi, one is chicken macchiato and the other one is veg avocado sushi, and surprisingly we both like the veg sushi more than the chicken one. We also ordered their very popular dessert choco hazelnut mousse, and you guys need to try it. It is so good. Trust me guys, their dessert is to die for. I even love their panna cotta. Trust me, if I have to wait like 1 hour to get their specific dessert, trust me, I will. After having food, I went to Flourish to get a cake as it is my sister's birthday and she is coming home late tonight. And around 6 p.m. I went to Mexico as the Halloween party held in here, but turns out I am the first person to reach there as I am so punctual. There was literally no one except the host. Anyways, the decor was nice, and as time went by more people came and it was an all girls party. I really enjoyed there. Everyone was looking so pretty. We were dancing, having fun, eating food, drinks, and I made so many new friends.
This is coming. This will go. Papud lagche na?
After all of this, I came home and celebrated my sister's birthday. Overall, it was a very fun, eventful, productive day.
মায়ের কাছে নিয়ে চলো। আমার জন্য কেক আছে, আমাকে নিজেই ফুটিয়ে দিচ্ছে। নো ডডো নো। কি হলো এটা ডডো? Thank you. Happy birthday.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you do, please leave a sweet comment and I see you in the next one. Bye bye.